chase, finds the lane, he's got the first down, making his way to the end zone, touchdown! Louisiana Monroe has pulled off the upset.
Again, intercepted again. Ha-ha, Clinton Dix down the sidelines. This last throw as a quarterback in Arkansas, incomplete. And the LSU Tigers have defeated the Arkansas Razors.
You know what today brings is an opportunity for me to stand in front of you and chase a dream.
When everything is turned to black, you don't know where
Frazier looking that way, and it is intercepted by Will Hines, the juggling act. Frazier looking for some space, and he will be sacked for the fourth time today.
everything around you is caving in.
We'll recruit uncommon men here. I don't want people to be normal. I want them to be uncommon.
Boy, Houdini's in the house. We're number 3.
Say goodbye!
Good time this time, and he's got a man wide open. It's Herman.
First half, Arkansas bringing more heat, and they will get Mosley.
Over the middle again, caught by Mitchell. A nice grab, shakes a tackle, and he's loose. The 20.